Hi, this is 𝐂𝐿 from 𝐕𝐀𝐆𝐃. In this video, I'm going to show you the cheap-eat local food in Antigua. It's not only cheap, but it's also very delicious. Follow me. This restaurant is very well known in Antigua for a local food. It's called Rico Typical. The chicken was roasted in a giant pig at front of the restaurant. Tortilla were made at front entrance. Chicken was roasted perfectly with a great seasoning and was super juicy. Big portions that including a drink is free refill and tortilla. The roasted potato was the bomb. They let the chicken juice drip onto the potato and they add garlic and salt on it. It's what literally the best potato I have. It's like a fast food outlet. You have to go to counter to order your food. They give you a number and then you go back to your seat and they will bring you the food. Don't worry, the staff in the counter for the ordering the food, he speaks English.
Okay, so Antigua is probably the most expensive city in Guatemala, but this is an amazing, typical Guatemalan meal. It's $4.50 each. It includes tortilla, the soup, the drink, and look at the entree. There's 𝐁𝐎 has a chicken there with salad and potatoes, and I've got rice, potato, and avocado, and black beans, and more potato. So I actually ate here when I was here in 2013. So I found this place, and I was like, I've been here before. It's been here a long time.
But I cannot finish my food. Look at me what I'm doing. I asked for the takeaway bag. Don't get me wrong, the food is really delicious, but I just cannot finish because the portion is really big and I eating meat, so Daniel will not share my food. By the way, it's very interesting to see the different country, they have a different doggy bag, takeaway bag. In here, Antigua, they give you a plate, a plastic plate, and then after you put all your food in the plate, then you put inside the black plastic bag. The menu in these restaurants mostly is 35𝐻, which is $4.55. They're including free drinks for refill as well, and free refill tortilla. And this is not a vegetarian restaurant. They have made a dish for the vegetarians, but I think for a meat eater, this is the best place for you to eat your meat here. The second one is all you can eat in a hotel restaurant. Buffet breakfast. Very good. So now I have a breakfast here that I found when we walk through the place, and then I take a photo, I go home, Google, and see what they have. See. Can you imagine? This all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet in Antigua. It costs you only 29 quetzales, which is $3.75. You can have a typical Guatemala breakfast in the hotel. 29 quetzales, which is a normal breakfast price in the Antigua, which is McDonald's also is the same price. But these ones, they have free refill of coffee, juice, and breakfast. And the beautiful music playing around the restaurant. Very nice. We are here to review the food after we eat the breakfast.
The buffet breakfast we just had, and it was about $7.50 for both of us to eat.
58 quetzales for both of us. One person is 29. You have coffee, juice, dessert, which is fruit, and tamales,
beans, tortillas.
The main course of
and it was all you can eat. A bunch of other stuff too. Cheese and cream.
And
they have all kinds of salsa.
And banana.
nice, yeah. And it was all, well, you saw it. It was all cheaper than McDonald's.
It's not cheaper, it's same price.
Same price. Well, it was one quesadilla cheaper. McDonald's was
29 also.
29, yeah, exactly. You're right. Sorry. So, there you have it.
He don't know about the price because he never looked into the price to pay. I'm the one who look into the price, so I understand.
We have all the money, of course.
The third restaurant is a cooking school.
Pepiano.
Oh, this pepiano.
Ajá.
Ah, wow.
Este es el arroz. Arroz.
Muy bien.
Aquí está el caldo.
Do the first.
Sí.
Gracias. Oh, I need to say something. It smells so good. Definitely is good food here. Wow. It's very nice. The food is really amazing, and from the cooking school you can see the kitchens. It's very clean, the food is fresh made. Voila, I have the best food in the Antigua. Well, the food is about like 25 quesadillas, which is $3.23. I have a good food in Antigua. I'm not recommend the vegetarians because they are more focused on the meat dishes. There, you can see what Dan have and compare with my dishes, so you will know.
Y lomo relleno.
It's not vegetarian. Oh,
De cerdo y carne de res.
oh, cerdo and picanha rice.
It's okay, I'll just have, what's the
They
one?
have added, you know, I want this.
Es pollo.
Pollo.
Pollo para los dos.
Those? Free.
One of my favorites, good, authentic, original Guatemalan foods in Antigua. The taste of the food, I don't know what I'm ordered, but it is really great. I love the fresh made tortilla, and you can buy it from the owner as well, which I think is 1 quesadilla for 5 pieces of the tortilla.
Eso o refresco de horchata.
Horchata is
That stuff you like, the creamy, milky stuff?
oh, horchata. It's very home feeling. It's good. It's very good. Feels like home.
So this is Mayan pupusa. It's corn tortilla with frijole and cabbage and tomato sauce. And I'm supposed to pick it up, but I'm gonna eat it like this.
It's good.
It is very simple.
Yeah.
So, did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, I enjoyed mine too. It was very simple, but it was good, and it's fun watching Mayans make a nice meal for you.
This Guatemalan food, so I very enjoy. It's very local.
Yeah.
And we pay about like 30
$4 for both of our food, and yours was about $3, and mine was about $1. And they were good.
This restaurant is my top 1 restaurant in Antigua. We came here every week for breakfast and lunch. This is where local people go for their food here. The owner is a lady. They have been cooking for the last 22 years here. The food is good and it's cheap compared to Antigua prices. It's not only cheap, it's very clean and it's very delicious. Their meal of the day for lunch is always good and it's more than enough food for just like 20 to 30 quetzales, which is $2.60 to $3.90. The price is including a drink, coffee for breakfast, juice for lunch. Friendly staff, cute little place, good food. This is what I need in Antigua. We met an expat who living here. If I'm not mistaken, he means about like 11 years. And he came to this restaurant every week as well. Now I know why, because I came to this restaurant every week as well. The food is great. Restaurante Arco, which is right under the Arch of Santa Catarina, it belongs to the Hotel Convent of Santa Catarina and it still have the original colonial architecture and construction with more than 400 years of existence. This is 2-for-1 breakfast and our breakfast here. This is my regular VIP guest. Always make the funny face.
No extra charge.
Oh,
Gracias.
picante. Picante is here. It's for your spicy potato.
Your spicy potato.
Look at here. It's so beautiful here. Wow. The color is coming out. So we eat first and we let you know.
So did you enjoy the breakfast?
I do enjoy my breakfast.
You did? I enjoyed our breakfast too. It was very nice.
Yeah.
It's definitely one of my top ones for breakfast here. The whole 2-for-1 idea gives you a really beautiful environment and you're getting high quality food for prices like the lower price restaurants. So we showed you the arch in town here. That was a cloistered walkway for the nuns to walk from this convent where we're having breakfast over to a school across the street. And this is one of the earliest buildings in Antigua. It was built in 1613. To give you an idea of history here.
Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It will help my YouTube channel to grow. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.